Hi, Dr. Scott Goldsmith here. We have one of our new Jiffy Knee patients, Miss Lourdes. She is about 3 weeks out from her Jiffy Knee on the right. About 2 years ago, we did a standard midline incision where we went through the quadriceps on the left. She did nicely, but here we are about 3 weeks out now where we did a quadriceps sparing Jiffy Knee where we did not cut the muscle. And Miss Isabel, how would you compare this early recovery 3 weeks out to this one?
Y esta la mejor fue esta. Me he recuperado muy rápido en comparación con esta.
Excellent. And can we see you make this knee nice and straight? Excellent. That's very strong. That quadricep is firing nicely. And then can we see you bend it? Wow, that's very good. And how would you say your pain has been with this one versus this one?
Esta muy poco.
Excellent.
Esta mucho y esta muy poco.
Great. Well, we wish you a continued recovery. We look forward to seeing you back in a few months so you can impress us even more.
Estoy muy bien, 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 gracias.